Let's see yourself. Zaganat. It's your boy. Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm here to give you another wig review video, and so this wig is from Atina Hair, and it came in this nice pink box, and in the box you can find some goodies inside, like edges brush. You can find like this band and some hair accessories. Guys, this hair came in this plastic bag inside the box, and this is what it looks like. It's a kinky straight 18 inches 200% density. This hair has volume, like, guys, and look at what the inside looks like. The texture of this hair is amazing. I really love the texture. The quality is just top notch, and is a human hair wig. So, and the lace, oh my god, the lace is very nice. It's like, you know, very nice lace, guys, on this hair. You can see how I'm wearing it and how the lace is like my color. This is what you see. So, you know, I'm trying to check out the hairline. This hairline is already pre-plucked. Everything is well and everything is fine. It's bleached and all that, but you know, I just want to go a little bit to see how my scalp will look like, and this is what my scalp look like. So I'm going to go ahead now, guys, to see if I can just pluck a little bit on my direct hairline, you know, to just cancel the, you know, the line in the front of it. So you don't have to do that. If you feel this is all right for you, you just go ahead and apply, you know, got to be, or however you want to wear yours, and just put it on. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just do that right now. Alright, so now that I've finished just plucking on the hairline, I just went back and put this wig on my head, and I cut off the lace. The lace on this hair was a lot, so I just cut a little bit off. So guys, if you are ordering this hair, make sure you use code 15chide. I'm going to put every detail that you need to know about this wig in the description box. Make sure that you check that out, and yeah, the direct link is there, the shop link is there, and they have other hair as well. So if you're interested in that, just check it down. So now I'm trying to like install, so I'm going to cut the lace on my ear side to fit in perfectly. The cap size I have is small, I think. They have different sizes. They have the small, the medium, and the large. So if you are ordering, make sure that you know your cap size, which is very important. And like I showed before, this wig has combs inside for security. So if you want to wear this wig, make sure that you place the combs inside the back, the one on the ears, both ear sides, so that it can stay firm. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting off my lace, and guys, this was so easy to install, you know, and this lace hairline is really beautiful. It blends perfectly well with mine. So I'm going to go ahead and just use, you know, do the normal things, you know, just make sure that this, cut the lace to fit your hairline and let the hair sit properly. Alright, so guys, I went ahead and just did a little bit of baby hairs. This is optional, you don't have to do it at all, but I just wanted to just do that, a little bit of it in the front. And yeah, I think this is a very nice install. You can see the front of my hair. Honestly, this looks like this hair is growing out of my scalp. Like, this is my natural hair. I wish my hair was this long though, guys. This really looks nice. I like the texture that this hair has. I like the quality. There is no shedding. Everything about this hair is perfect. Can you just see that? And if I've not mentioned, the color of this hair is natural black. So yeah, so up close, this is what it looks like, my hairline. Like, oh my god, I love, and it sits properly on my head. I really love this hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna just do a few style that you can wear with this hair. You don't have to just do center side part alone. You can just put them in ponytails and different style. So for this first style I'm just gonna just do like a flat twist. I'm gonna do on both sides, you know, towards the end of the head, and I just secure it with a rubber band or a hair, a bubble band or something, you know. Just I went ahead and did the second one, and this look I love this look. So so when I do that, and I just get another rubber band, and I just, like, you know, put it together like that. And guys, I love this style like this. You can wear it like this, you know. How beautiful this is, so beautiful. You can wear like that, or you can go ahead and take out the hair crunchies and just put it in one bun. And then if you are, you know, you don't want the hair to touch your body, you can braid the hair up quickly. Just braid it up like that and just secure it up, and then just pin it down, or just do whatever you like that. Just pin it down like this. And to be honest, this looks like this is my hair. Quick and easy style to do with this, and it looks like natural hairstyling. So another style I would like to do is a half up, half down. Alright, so I brushed the hair and I separated it from the middle, and I got a hair crunchy and I tied it up. And that is easy and simple because of how nice this wig sits on my head and how natural looking the hairline looks. This actually looks like it's my hair. If you don't believe me, you can argue with your phone or your, you know, argue with your computer. So yeah, this looks really like my hair, and this is the second style that I'll be rocking with this hair while I have it. So I'm going next to the third style, which is simple, just a low pony. And I really love this. This is like taking all the hair from, you know, your hairline and just putting a pony. Is very easy and very simple. You don't have to do much, and yeah, that is it. And then if you don't want the hair to touch your back, the back of your neck or anything, just secure it onto, you know, the up, and just pin it down, and then you're all good to go like that. So guys, make sure you check the description box, and that is all for this video. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.